Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. Right, first off, just going to start off by saying frost warning tonight. So if you watch nothing else on this video and you want to switch off, just take heed. There is a cold pulled over us and the skies will clear overnight. So that risk is very real tonight. But we'll start off with the temperatures. We'll come on to the forecast and then we will take a look at those temperatures and the overnight forecast. So 6.8 here in Folkestone. At the moment, it's also 6.8 degrees over in Tunbridge, 6.6 down on the coast at Eastbourne, and Shanklin on the Isle of Wight, 6.5 for you guys, 6.2 at Basingstoke, 6.8 over at Maidenhead, 6.4 at Leighton Buzzard. Pop over to Canvey Island, you're at 7.1. And then we move into London, the Big Smoke near Covent Garden, 7.5 degrees. And it is quite a chilly morning out there. These are your maximum temperatures. Top of the Hots, 9 degrees at Humberside. And this is because we've got this upper cold pull. It's been quite influential in our weather. It's not really sort of in the big scheme of things major influence, but it is affecting our weather conditions. And there are some cold temperatures about out there, particularly in the north, minus 3.9 degrees at Altenhara Soars, minus 3.3 at Aviemore, and minus 2.5 at Kinloss. Now, I've mentioned this upper cold pull, been talking about it for a few days. As I've mentioned, in the grand scheme of things, it's not that important, but this is the green area. This is where this is moved across. It's come down from Europe. It's moved across southern England, and it's brought in this rain and these, this unstable weather conditions. And today we're under its influence. So, if we take a look at the current radar, see there's an awful lot of rain up towards the Midlands, towards sort of Lincolnshire, Humberside, those sort of areas down towards Norfolk. But here towards the southeast, we're looking at a rash of showers that have now moved into many parts of Kent and Essex to the east of London. And these will be moving westwards throughout the course of the morning. They will break up. But if we just take a look at the current scene at Ramsgate Harbour, stark contrast to yesterday morning, clear blue skies there. But yeah, as I've mentioned, the showers in the east are moving westwards. So we're now going to take a little look this morning at the ECM's take on things. We'll move it forward from 6 o'clock this morning. So there you go. And that pretty much represents what we've got going on at the moment. Some heavier rain up towards the North Midlands. Showers moving into the southeast towards Kent and Essex. If we move that sequence forward through to 9 o'clock, you'll see that those showers, they move westwards, but for a time at least, they do tend to sort of ease. However, look towards the middle part of the day, some of those showers that are around, particularly inland, I'm thinking maybe areas around the Thames Estuary, places to the west of London, to the northwest of London, up towards Oxfordshire. Some of those showers could be quite heavy and potentially thundery. And I'll come on to that in just a moment. Those showers, they will gradually edge away westwards this afternoon. And by evening, it's clear and dry. And tonight, under clearing skies and light breezes, the temperatures will fall. And this is where the frost risk comes in. So we'll now just take a look at that thunder risk. Got a little chart here which just shows the low risk for some. This is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. So as I mentioned, some of those showers, they could be quite pokey and there could be the odd rumble of thunder. It's just something to be aware of. And the reason for that today is that we've still got this residual cold pull in place. The breezes are light. If the sun does come out, it will warm the land. It will make it unstable. And there'll be a great temperature gradient between the relatively warm land and that cold air aloft. The greater that temperature gradient, the more instability, the higher risk of heavier showers. So that's your meteorology lesson this morning. In terms of temperatures, no great shakes, 12s, 13s, best on offer today, perhaps towards South Kent, maybe towards East Sussex, you might get a 14 with some afternoon sunshine. But these are your temperatures tonight. Minimum temperatures, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, many places very close to zero. Now, sometimes these maps sort of underestimate the degree of cold. So, yeah, you could take 1 or 2 degrees off this, and that does bring us into frost territory. So, gardeners, please beware. That's it in summary. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a look at the weekend forecast, but suffice to say, Showers today, potentially heavy, clearing this afternoon, clear, cold with a frost risk tonight. Have a great day and ciao for now.